Yeah, so paid advertising or pay-per-click is a great way to get new customers. It's a great way to test new markets or services. And when you're doing that, there's a lot of complicated factors that come into play that control how much you're going to pay for your ads, how much your budgets are, what your daily spend limit is, and all that kind of thing. Pay-per-click management, we take care of all that for you. We essentially talk to you, figure out kind of really where your targets are, what your goals are, what your budgets are, and we work for really finding that sweet spot or that optimum level of advertising budget that will get you the best return on investment.